Right, Xander's finished with clear coat and the freeze plugs. Looks good. Looks good.
Are they all the same way?
Yes. So now we're gonna put liquid Teflon on. We have our gaskets in, as you can see. A little liquid Teflon. And those will all go in. And then we will torque them. All right. They're in. They have liquid Teflon on them. Xander's got the torque wrench set to 35, right?
Yep.
All right, do this one first. All right, I'll do this one.
Maybe.
Get it in the hole. This one. Crisscross applesauce.
$35.2, the world's gonna blow up.
All right.
Come on, Benjamin Netanyahu.
And we'll go back through one more time. There you go. All right. There's neighbor. And then you can go either one. The outside ones you're not going to get as much movement out of.
A lot of movement out of that one.
One more. All right. Nicely done, sir. Plenums, lower plenums on. We put the EGR on. We're going to set our fuel rail right now. Careful. Careful. Burnsy's getting the bolts together for us now. We'll get her in and bolted down, snugged up. It's looking good. Fuel rail looking good. Fuel pressure regulator already rebuilt. Mr. Burns did that a while ago when he got the rail.
Injectors, O-rings.
Yeah, got everything ready to go.
That was fun.
Now we do need 2 O-rings. We need one for back here and one for up here, which I'm sure we have. So it's not critical at this moment.
That one was a little different.
Well,
Yeah. It's on your desk.
oh yeah, I know where that's at.
Quitting tape.
Yeah.
What is
How do you
smoke
know
set?
where anything's at on your desk?
Oh, what do you mean?
I saw you earlier.
I know. I need to relight that one. I didn't finish.
Do you have more?
I have
Yeah,
one
he's
more.
hiding them from you.
I'm not surprised.
When you weren't
See?
here though, I smoked one day. I smoked what, 4 cigars, big ones.
Regular cigars?
Yeah.
See what I mean? I don't know why he hates me.
I don't hate you. It was when I came back from San Diego, when I was all excited because I bought the box,
Yeah.
and I smoked way too many.
Oh.
Oops.
I saw this one buddy.
Look, he's wearing.
Friends now?
That's much better. Your kids aren't allowed to wear Padres stuff here anymore either. Just kidding. Gilbert can. They can. They're not right, but they know. They don't know that.
It's not their fault.
It's not their fault. And we're okay with the Padres because, you know,
Padres friend?
we got fucking PD grad on their team, Jeremiah. So it's cool. Look at that.
Jared coming today?
I think so.
Oh, man.
That looks looking good. All right. Look at that. Dude, it almost looks like an engine.
Carbonated.
Yeah. If it was carbureted, we could just slap a carb on it and run it on a friggin' cradle.
I've seen people run it on these cans.
Yeah, it's sketchy.
But it's pricey around here.
No. There she is. Look at that. It's looking good, dude. Hey, Xander. Pose.
No.
I was going to take a picture and send it to your mom. Okay, I'll send your mom that one.